Hello everyone! Today I want to show you how to crochet this simplified waffle stitch. Visually it looks like the waffle pattern but uses less stitches and less yarn. To begin, tie a slip knot and then chain a multiple of 3 plus 1 stitches. I'm looping 25 chains for this tutorial. After you have done 25 chains, we'll switch and work in the opposite direction. Now chain 1, which is a turning chain for a single crochet stitch. Next, skip the chain we just made and do a single crochet in the following chain. Now loop 2 chains. Skip 2 chains below and do a single crochet in the next chain. Loop 2 chains again and skip 2 chains and do a single crochet in the next chain. Repeat the same pattern all the way across. Complete the row with a single crochet. You should have 25 stitches for the row. Moving on to row 3. Turn your work over and then chain 3. This chain 3 counts as a double crochet stitch. Next, we'll put 2 double crochets in this chain space. One and 2. Next, we'll do a front post double crochet in this single crochet. To do a front post double crochet, first you yarn over, inserting your hook from front of the stitch to the back, like this. Then yarn over and pull up a loop from behind the stitch. Finally, complete a double crochet stitch. Now we'll repeat the stitch sequence. Do 2 double crochets in the next chain space. One and 2. And then a front post double crochet in the next stitch. Continue working the same pattern through the end of this row. Complete the row with a double crochet. Moving on to row 4. Row 4 is a repeat of row 2. Turn the work over and then chain 1. Do a single crochet in the first stitch. Next, loop 2 chains and skip 2 stitches and do a single crochet in the next stitch, which is the front post stitch. Chain 2 again and skip 2. Do a single crochet on the next stitch. Continue working the same stitch sequence for the entire row. We end the row with a single crochet. Moving on to row 5. Row 5 is a repeat of row 3. Turn the work over and chain 3. Now do 2 double crochets in the next chain space. Next, we'll do a front post double crochet on this single crochet. From this point on, keep repeating the same stitch pattern of row 2 and 3. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.